Netflix just released its second quarter 2026 earnings report. This chart shows the immediate market reaction today. Netflix stock dropped 9% in early trading, despite the company reporting solid core fundamentals. To understand why the market punished a profitable quarter, we have to look past the top-line reaction and break down the specific numbers in the report. Let's start with the baseline business performance. This bar chart tracks second quarter revenue. The company brought in $12.56 billion, which narrowly missed the Wall Street consensus of $12.58 billion. However, looking at this same graphic, earnings per share outperformed expectations, coming in at 80 cents against an estimated 79 cents. The company also reported an operating margin of 33.4%, easily clearing management's prior guidance of 32.6%. Flush with cash, Netflix returned capital to shareholders, executing a record $4.7 billion stock buyback during the quarter. The Q2 numbers show a company generating heavy profits and returning capital. Past performance did not cause today's sell-off. The sell-off was triggered by forward-looking concerns, specifically weak guidance for the third quarter and a change in reporting practices. This scorecard shows management's projection for Q3. They expect revenue of $12.86 billion, representing an 11.7% growth rate. They also project an EPS of 82 cents. As shown here, both figures missed Wall Street's estimates, signaling an impending growth slowdown. Compounding this, Netflix will reduce its What We Watched viewership reports from twice a year to just once annually starting in 2027. Investors severely punished the stock today because they are facing a combination of decelerating growth projections and reduced visibility into the platform's underlying engagement. Despite the market reaction, the analyst consensus points to a strong bull case. This trend line illustrates that Netflix's core growth engines remain intact. Advertising revenue is on track to double year over year, and subscriber retention is high. Looking at the valuation gauge, today's 9% drop actually cut the premium on an expensive stock, bringing the trailing price-to-earnings ratio down to an attractive 21.3. Analysts widely interpret the sell-off as an overreaction to the Q3 guidance, maintaining a consensus buy rating on the stock. While the cautious guidance warrants attention, the immediate market drop created a discounted entry point for a highly profitable, market-leading business.
OTS Ullu. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make, and continuous learning keeps you sharp. Subscribe to OTS Ullu on YouTube.